Okay, we're going to go through real quick how to basically the After Effects workspace. So you need to launch After Effects and choose New Project. Once you choose New Project, you'll get this screen. And on the left-hand side is your bin. This is where you'll bring all your assets in at. So if I right-click and I do Import File, I can take in the 4 assets for this particular project, which are in Projects, Downloads, Assets for Computer Production. So you want to click Import. And then once you have imported those, now we need to create a composition. We'll click New Composition. And you want to make sure this is 1920 by 1080. I only want this to be 10 seconds. So down there at the duration, it goes hours, minutes, seconds, frames. We want to go 10 seconds. Oh, and I want to make this 29.97. Say OK. And now, in order to bring the videos onto the composition, which is basically where we're going to build everything, you just grab it, drop it over on the side, and you can just pile them right up. So drop it, and drop it. So now we have 4 videos laid on here. If I want to put a background, I want to go to Layer, New, Solid, and I'm going to make this a deep blue. I say OK. It is on top of all my videos. I can click on the name and drag it and bring it down to the bottom. And now I've got these 4 videos on top. I'm going to make them into a quad split. So I'm going to twirl open my caret menu, twirl open transform, go to scale, and I'm going to click 45. And I'm going to go to the next video, and I'm going to click transform, scale, 45. Move that over. I'm going to go to the next video. I'm going to twirl that open, twirl open transform, go to scale, type in 45, move that over. Oh, I need to move this video up a little bit. Move this video up a little bit. And then come down here and open up this last one, transform, scale, 45. Put that in its last space. Now I've got a nice little quad split. If I want to add a shape layer, I go up here to add shape to layer, new, shape layer. And right now it is a rectangle, but I can change it to a star if I want. So I've changed it to a star. And it's down here on the bottom. I want it to be on top. So I'm just going to move it up to the top by grabbing the word shape layer. Move it up there. Twirl is closed. Move it above that. And move it all the way to the tippy top. Now it's above all my shape layers. I'm going to change my tool to the selection tool, which is a V. And I want to make sure that my anchor point is in the center. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rotate this. So I'm going to click the little stopwatch to add a keyframe. And it's at 0 rotations. I'm going to go forward on my timeline to 415. And I'm going to rotate it. Spacebar plays and stops it. And then if I want to change the points on my star, I go over here to Shape Properties. and I can increase my stars to 11 points, and I can change the stroke color and the width, anything that I want to do. And there we have it. So finally, we need to render this fiasco. So to render it, we go up to Composition, Add to Render Queue, and then we want to click on Render Settings, Best Settings, Full, 1920 by 1080. Our output mode is set for lossless. We 100% don't want lossless. It will clog up our whole thing. We're going to use, for right now, we're going to use H.264 because we're just playing around. So I've got H.264 chosen, and then I'm going to go over here to output 2, and I'm going to output this to my folder, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to click render, and it's going to go ahead and render that out and put it in my folder. And that's a quick tutorial on how to use After Effects.